Hey, this is Kevin with All Star Medical, and today we want to show you the Jazzy Passport by Pride Mobility. Just got this in just a little bit ago. This is one of the most compact portable power wheelchairs you'll see on the market today. It weighs 53 pounds, the unit does, and then has a 7-pound battery. So 60 pounds overall, folds up. I'm going to show you how that works. There is a battery compartment back here. Pull the battery, 7-pound battery right here. There are clips on the back side. Take this, fold down. You can lift this up, fold this up, and now there's your compact. Again, this weighs 53 pounds, so you can put in the trunk of a car, back seat. The handle on the controller folds down, so you don't have to worry about sticking out, getting in the way. Comes with a cup holder that is detachable as well, but it's very small, very compact, and really all you're having to do is take these clips and put everything together. There's not much else to it. It's got a little pouch down here that is zippered, so you can put your battery pack, or I'm sorry, your charger, or anything like that, either in this section or right here in the front. I believe the speed on this is 3.7 miles an hour. It is really a neat little system. If you're looking for something portable, this is the device that will work really well. We have this here at our showroom in Hermitage. We also ship anywhere in the continental United States, free shipping. So feel free to take a look at it. I'm going to try to show you the turning radius. It's a very small turning radius. Large tires on the back. You also can disengage the motor right here on either side. So if you had to manually push it because you ran out of power, you could, but this is really something else. I think we will sell a lot of these. This is the Jazzy Passport by Pride Mobility.